Good evening, folks. It is Bob at Two Pops Breaks on Sunday. It is June the 30th. We are breaking Gold Rush autograph baseball jerseys. It's a 2-box break from a fresh case. We numbered the boxes, randomed up the numbers. We actually got 1 and 2. That is a 2, guys. It's just a circle around it, makes it look like a 3. We did pick a name, get 3 via random. On the left, we've already randomized the extra names, alphabetized the customers afterwards, bunches everybody's entries together, gave them a chance to trade. Just double check and chance. Alright, not seeing anything. Check breakers, nothing happening at breakers. Alright, guys. Alright, hopefully we start off with a couple of nice solid boxes for you here. Again, fairly new series. They just released it a couple days ago. Pop, pop. It's our first case of it. Well, guys, the least likable player there gonna be the Pete Rose. Has the Fitterman and JSA holograms. Bam again. Going to be Charlie Hustle on the Reds. Alright, who the hell has Rose? Well, Drew gonna one-slot that damn thing. Drew starting off, all right there. All right, guys, box 2. Yeah, I had a feeling that's who that was, man. Well, we're gonna be the Papelbon. Guys, not a great one there. But we got one of our fillers out of the way, folks. Gonna be the Papelbon Beckett Witness hologram on the Boston jersey. Well, guys, again, we definitely still got our case hits out there for you. So, call out your keeps, folks. Who the hell hit the Papelbon? Well, that's gonna be a Jim. So again, Jim, yep, send me your new shipping address there, bud. Well, guys, that's gonna ramp up that 2-boxer. We got 2 breaks left in the case there. Stop on by and join us at Bobby 2 Pops Breaks. Y'all have a wonderful night.